Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
2026.
2026!
Guys, as you can see,
Woohoo!
they are about to unbox my pasalubong yesterday. We haven't done that yesterday because... Sige lang magsalita kung anong gusto mo salita. We haven't done that because we're busy and I'm so tired and exhausted. That's why. So, after we had our lunch, it's now to unbox my goodies. No. Wala pang ako sinasabi. So, what do you think are those? Make some guess.
Groceries.
Like...
Like pasta, like chocolate, in the one box of chocolate.
One box lang.
That's true.
Ibig
Assorted.
sabihin, nakita mo na siguro yan, oh. Pinakalaman mo na.
Assorted.
No, I think.
What kind of
I
assorted?
think this box a
Juices.
lot of chocolate.
Nakita mo na rin siguro yan, oh.
Hindi.
No.
Sinungaling.
Kasi mabigat kasi nung pag kakarga ko kahapon, mabigat siya. Sabi ko juices to.
Ano pa?
Marigalong something ng mga clothes or umbrella.
Like
How about you? Anong hula mo dyan?
perfume.
Anong hula mo nasa loob? Dali na!
Gusto mo kasi ano Chris, ano sa inyo? Chocolate na ulit.
Ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan sa loob? Huwag mong turuan.
Ano pa lang ba? Dali na.
O ikaw, anong sa tingin mong meron dyan sa loob? Anong nasa loob?
Chocolate.
Ano pa?
Candy.
Ano pa?
Ano pa?
Sige. Oh, how about you?
Ako sigurado mga commodities yan.
Like,
Sabi may gata siguro. Kape. Butter biscuit or chocolate milk.
Some shopping is 3 bucks.
Iyo.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm
Ano pa, ano
excited
pa?
to unbox this box. Oh my gosh, girl.
Sa pagkain sa amin.
girl.
Basta chocolate sa akin.
Ano.
Guys,
Takot, eh.
let's unbox, guys. Okay, guys, let's unbox.
Let's see! Let's open
Let's
it. Let's think of it. Para to know.
okay guys and girls, let's time to unbox it. Hold on, teka lang muna saglit, hindi pa.